Liquid Brands, it's a distributor of stock, mainly fashion, footwear and apparel and accessories. Some of the brands that we do stock, obviously Crocs are our biggest brand, but we also have Moss Copenhagen, we also have Dry Copa, we have Barber, we have Otra sunglasses. The phone system for us is extremely important. We like to have a very good relationship with our customers. And that is not just your customers that are ordering indent in advance, it is your day-to-day customers. We have a very good website for retail and we also have 3 retail stores. The most important part we need to do is pick up the phone and talk to someone. Don't rely on email.
When we first came into Liquid Brands, they had the oldest technology. Everything was clunky, slow, costing time and money. We revolutionised them by modernising everything within their business. We changed them from top to bottom. It was almost like going in, starting again with a new business. And that's helped them with their success path and story to get to where they are today.
We weren't in the 21st century and we needed to move because our current way of talking to people around this whole building couldn't happen unless you basically got down on your feet and went and spoke to someone. And so we definitely needed to have a versatile system.
Another key challenge was the warehouse. It's very long, very thin, and it's floor to ceiling in stock, which obviously makes it really hard to get signals through dense stock. So IPECS Cloud had a unique solution with very strong deck bases where you can roam up and down the warehouse and always connect to the strongest signal. So this was a key factor in our decision making on how we were going to get good communications throughout the warehouse using cordless phones. And the cordless phones we provided were a more robust type, which is what you need in a warehouse.
When you hear the complaints from the employees, you know that something's wrong. Now that I have this system in place, I do not hear anything. No one complains, everyone loves it, and it basically makes us do our work faster. Because it's so digital, we have stores in other locations and we also have our customers all around New Zealand, and it makes it a lot easier for us to have like group conversations with people. You can track back on the audit log, you can see who dialed in, because if you get complaints of any description, then it's all there in a log on your actual phone, not just on your PC. From a revenue point of view, it impacts us a lot because the moment you solve a problem of a customer at the other end, they're happy and that means they're going to reorder and that means they're going to continue to have us as their supplier. So it did not cost us as much as other systems. We didn't have to outrightly buy every phone. And it's because it's in the cloud, we can pick it up and move it to another location, which is what we are going to be doing. Basically, all we need to do is pick up the phones and plug them in. That is it. The support is very, very good. It's right here at our fingertips, and that is one of the most important things within our organisation because we do not have an internal IT system.
There's no doubt in my mind that using IPECS Cloud has revolutionised this business. It's taken them from where they used to be to where they are today, which is a complete success story.